Did you know that this native spaghetti is so delicious and so easy to make? Hello, sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your native spaghetti. These are the ingredients you need to make your pasta. You need your grated pepper, your onion, UZIZA leaf, your crayfish, your iru, that's a locust beans. For my protein, I'm using boiled chicken, stockfish, pomo, boiled egg, fish, red oil, a little bit of vegetable oil, and my pasta itself. And these are the most important ingredients you need to make your native spaghetti. In a pot, you go in with your red oil. Once your red oil is hot, you go in with a little bit of vegetable oil. Then after that, you go in with your locust beans, and then you pour in your cow skin and your stockfish. And also you go in with your grated onion, and then you're going to mix these together. Allow your onion to saute and also your protein to mix with it. And this is just going to take about 1 minute. After that, you go in with your protein. I went in with my boiled chicken. Then I mixed together. And after that, I'm going in with my grated pepper, a little bit of ginger, garlic, and onion. Then I'm going to mix together. I'm just trying to make sure it is properly seated and properly mixed together. Then I'm going to allow it to steam for just a few minutes. Then I'm going to go in with my crayfish, my seasoning cube, and a little bit of salt. Mix together and allow all ingredients to incorporate. And steam together. And after 2 minutes on medium heat, I went in with my deboned fish. Then I'm going to mix together again. Then I'm going to cover this and allow it to steam on a medium heat for between 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, this is what we have. I'm just going to mix together, taste my food to make sure if there is anything for me to correct. Then I'm going to cover it because our stew base is ready. Time for us to boil our pasta. In a pot, you go in with your water, and then I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it. Then I'm going to cover it and allow it to bring to a boil. Then I'm going to go in with our pasta. Please do not break your pasta. Breaking your pasta is not going to increase the quantity. At this stage, we're just trying to make sure it is properly seated inside the pot. Then I'm going to cover this and allow it to boil. After 5 minutes, this is me checking my pasta. Note, I will always advise you to always read the instruction on your pasta to know exactly how long it's going to take it to get cooked. For this, my pasta, it's going to take approximately 10 to 15 minutes for it to get cooked. So after 10 minutes on a medium heat, our pasta is almost ready. All I had to do was just to sieve it. Then after sieving our pasta, then we're just going to pour it in our stew base. Time for us to mix. I would say this is where the work is, and this is where the work comes in. You just have to mix this properly and make sure it is properly mixed. The emphasis on mixing properly. So your ingredients are going to mix together. Make sure it is well combined together. And note, please keep a little bit of your pasta water because you're going to need it. Then after mixing properly, I'm just going to go in with my UZIZA leaf. Then I'm going to mix. Then after that, I'll be going in with my pasta water. It's going to help it steam properly. Just a little bit of the pasta water, and at this stage all you just need to do is reduce your fire from high or medium to low heat, and it's just going to steam up. So I'm just going to cover this for another 5 minutes on low heat, and this is what we have. This is so easy to make, and I bet you if you follow this my tutorial step by step, you're going to have the same results like the way I'm having. So my sweet fingers lovers, let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this recipe, if you're going to recreate this recipe. And note, I serve this with a cold zobo. If you want to know how I made this zobo, the video is up on my YouTube channel. Do not forget to watch our other videos, like, comment, subscribe, share for everybody to watch. And thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.